Good day everyone. Today we are excited to present the outcome of PJM Pulse project in the construction industry, addressing the challenges posed by manual process in recording resource, costs, and budgets. Let me introduce the talented individuals behind this project, which is Esther, Jia Yan, Wei Ling, and me, YG. In the construction industry, the employee often face challenge in efficiently managing project, especially when it comes to recording essential data such as resource, cost, and budget. The current reliance on manual process introduced a myriad of issues from the risk of human errors to consuming valuable time, ultimately hindering our ability to effectively track budget and costs. Imagine a scenario where at the initiation of project, various departments contribute crucial inputs. The human resource department provides employee requirements, the procurement department handle material purchases, and the logistic department estimate lorry drivers and logistic costs. Unfortunately, the manual nature of this process exposes us to the risk of errors, inefficiencies, and a lack of transparency. Therefore, to address this issue, we have developed two integrated systems that streamline the entire process. One is the user system for employees from different departments, and the other is the admin system for head of department and top management.
Hi, my name is Wei Ling. I'll be presenting on the how to connect the local home database. Before entering the system, make sure that all the file has been downloaded and the exam app has been downloaded into your desktop. First of all, extract the PJM Pulse file into the exam hd and paste it into here. Next, open the exam application, click on the Manage Server, click Start All to start all the server. Next, open a web browser to enter the local host /php/my-admin. After this page will be displayed out, click on the new, name it the database to PJM Pulse, and then click Create. Click on the import bar, choose the file. From the PJM folder, click on the database, and then click the PJM Pulse.sql. Click Open. After that, click on the Import button.
Hi, I'm Esther Lem Wei Yee. Let me show you our coding first. We are using PHP with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to form the system. These are the files we are using. We put admin underscore and user underscore to differentiate the admin and user system in PHP. These are all complete website interface to access, while the PHP without the admin or user underscore is support function, action, or controller to support the PHP and HTML. So let me show you one of the PHP format with HTML. For example, admin login PHP. From this, we can see the upper part is the coding to post the function in the MySQL. If the email and password is authentication successful, then the admin can log in into the system. If not, it will show an error message. When we scroll down a bit, we can see the HTML coding, and this will link to the CSS style, and all the remaining are the coding to form the web interface. So one of the PHP I want to emphasize is the connection PHP file. So this is appear to be a PHP script responsible for making a connection to the MySQL database, which named PJM Pulse. This file is commonly used to encapsulate the database connection logic, provide a modular and reusable way to manage database connection across multiple pages in a web application. So when you want to enter the admin system, you can go to admin underscore register PHP, then right click, then copy the path, then paste into the Google to remove the word before PJM/, then put localhost/ to enter. For example, my name is Esther, my department is HR, my email is this, and I need to enter my password. So after register, we will lead to login page, then key in our email and password that register just now, then log in. When we log in, we can see there is a navigation bar on top as header and the footer as bottom mark in purple at the bottom. In this dashboard section, we can see an overview of total user, total project, cost type, and total project. So when we click it, it will emphasize to navy color. Next section is data entry. This section divided into three parts. First is upper part, which is a manual data entry. This enables to add project by filling a form. So let me key in one of the expenses. After click add project, the success display will pop up on top. Next is the middle section, which is file entry. So you can click this link, download sample set to upload. When you finish download, you can upload here by choosing the file. The success display will pop up again. At the same time, the dataset will update in the table below. The bottom section is a project table which provides an overview of project from the MySQL that the admin can edit or delete to modify the project. When the admin click edit, it brings to another URL to edit the project. Let's say I change this new tank render to 19K. After we click update the project, it will bring back to the project section and also pop up with the successful message. So when we delete, it same things that after delete, you can see the project is successfully deleted on top. Okay, let's continue with analytics section. This represents visualization by chart and table to better monitoring of resources and costs. It starts with two-part chart, which is budget and actual cost by project code. The second is by cost type. The green color represents the budget cost, then the pink color is actual cost. Then, following by the pie chart, is actual cost by cost type and budget cost by cost type. So we can see there is 4 types of costs, which is default, general expenses, logistic, and outsources from all the project. And the admin can observe the change of the total budget and actual cost in the time series chart for better comparison. Lastly, this is an extra table for the admin to see by project code one by one. For the last section is the user table. This is an overview of login user in front-end system. For the front-end system, Jenny will explain it later. So this is all about our section in admin system. We want to log out, we can click log out here. And also, you can click here to log in to the user system.
Now I'll be presenting the user system. This is the register page, as the users can register by filling up this form with first name, last name, user email, and the password. If you have an account, you can click here to the login page. So now I am the new user. I have complete the form and press the register button. Once you done register, you jump to the login page. If you don't have an account, you can click here to register a new account. So now I have filled out the info and I will press the login button. So this is the home page of the user system. So this is the company name and the headers. This is to navigate to the desired sections such as home page, about sections, home section, about sections, form sections. And the headers can allow the users to log out from the user system or log into the admin system. So this is the home sections. The home section provides introductions. And this is the about sections. About sections provides the missions, visions, tagline of the company. So this is the form section. The form section is to let the users fill in the data and store it in the MySQL database. So now I'll be filling up the form first. After you complete the form, just press this button, Add Project button. Once you press it, the message, project added successfully, will be displayed. Lastly, the foot section. The focus section is to navigate the users to desired sections, and the contact information of the company also stated in the photo. So now I'll be showing the website. It's responsive. So this shows that the features in the user system is also responsive to the mobile. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.